How to get a flat stomach in a month at home. What will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute? Plank every day for a month, see what happens to your body. Plank is one of the best calorie-burning and beneficial exercises. A plank hold engages multiple muscles at once, thereby benefiting the core strength of your body. Not just burning the fat around your abdomen area, they also work by giving you an improved posture, flexibility as well as a tighter tummy. They require a small time investment on your part and offer the chance to achieve substantial results in a relatively short span of time. How to do a plank. 1. Begin in the plank position with your forearm and toes on the floor. 2. Keep your torso straight and rigid and your body in a straight line from ears to toes with no sagging or bending. 3. Your head is relaxed and you should be looking at the floor. 4. Hold this position for 10 seconds to start. 5. Take slow inhalations and exhale slowly. 6. Over time work up to 30, 45, or 60 seconds. Keep your abdominal muscles engaged and do not let your stomach drop or allow for your hips to rise up. One of the most effective ways to amplify a plank is simply to lift up an arm or foot. Besides having a flat stomach, you will also get other amazing benefits. 1. You'll decrease your risk of injury in the back and spinal column. 2. You'll experience an increased boost to your overall metabolism. 3. You'll significantly improve your posture. 4. You'll improve overall balance. 5. You'll become more flexible than ever before. 6. You'll witness mental benefits. So, will you start doing planks from tomorrow? If so, please make sure to come back here and share your results after a month of regular planking. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, to subscribe to the channel.